So we a Bema now worry or ban or your public figure. You can never hide a camera from your wife. Unim so your public figure. And I will call worry no. You know say or ye we are singing any. Ya no say na ya celebrities. Near public figure no. It takes only the camera will let our followers and our viewers to see us. Medai Beth 1 week in here. I think say after the birthday I mean for camera in see me sweet. Nobody know my whereabouts. But as I've put in a camera on me, obia be home. Because when you become a public figure or a celebrity, people just want to see you every day. It is a only Bema beach. Now only your video no in any tone chanya, madam. So was a Bema no on found kusishe. Only Bema your video no I am me say. A meme be ani and your motie. Udu baby na ye video. Don't put the camera on me. I don't want to come to the camera. So mudru so mo chimpna wo social media no so. No mo mpese. Who ye video or the better so because their girlfriends will see them say money on my wife here fine. God will punish all of them. God will punish all of them. And oh be Maria. And they look at a be Maria. So oba ye public figure or kono oba ne brand. Some of them no senyo oba no ne brand bolav no suma mo amepon menche. Because when my husband gets inside the room, I have to stop this video. When my husband gets inside the room, I have to stop this video. And I'm giving this advice to every woman, especially the celebrities and their public figures. What was it? Sebe manu ntimi nyinanim me kachro praying fa. Sebe manu ntimi nyiwanimu niwu nye video. Emeriasi hu se mi kunu nie me yiri nie na okachira wo se. Ompe camera me se wo boa o tom ne mpranti no ompe camera no. Edwamanti no ompe camera no. Ashawenti no ompe camera no. Two a wobunti no ompe camera no. Wo honsemo a wakachira ne mpra saya wase wachira ne mpra gwa wagu wanimu ase achira ne mpra no ofere sa oba ne behu say oni wuye video because oba ne beka say na Bema wu no wo se wo yira ye say wo yiri treat you bad wo yira ye say omo koso omo ko chan tro hwe mama kase mincho. So oba or you're so lovely and caring to his husband and celebrities. Because a reason you know say ukununi. So you are always afraid to divorce. So you are always afraid to divorce. So you always do anything for your husband to be happy and come out to the camera for people to see your husband happy. Ata the papa top belt abording designing tadiam pabua ni nyina chino obeko fam pna kwasiam penny bi yase Mcbrown kuna ko fam pna oba na omode ne ba kire ne mukura de ne maso kwa de nani like nani so wade because wo sure oba na de ne compare Mcbrown wa e kire say Maswell onimukurom ye wo binim omo ye nkurasefo typical nkurasefo ye de oba begire on ye so oba we nani wukunu twempo na sister wan hwe ya wudu tibe kwa akohwe duamu oba jonki abodamfo nkurasefo ena wukunu be kwa akofa womo hwe oba bia wo ye very loud oba bia nani ade no onfa nko relationship mu abusuafo Ma me ka se me cho bolavo no so yedi nkomo. And I yakwane boko. So when my husband get inside, I will stop this video because he don't want me to come to the Facebook for now. He said I should have a rest. And you know, only one of my son life way. Tie. Obebiara. Anani a thing in life no on fan relationship mo. She when it comes to relationship a man ye ni a din yet sound kwala. Me said there was a time Pastor Eric. So when we say you abrosan kesiye and you were your master bedroom and obia sa one singing room at least one tadia no mpaboa no niema bewo ho o bags bewo ho na edrenumra. Then the two of you will get to the bedroom, then you sleep together. Abusia me say Drew baby Pastor Eric timi tro kobo no Diana no timi tro don't disturb me for 7 days. I'm telling you the facts. As I'm making, God is my witness. He wrote, I don't want any disturb for 7 days. Now sure ba me mabo me bra ne manya misika ne makofa Bema sa me kwa akobua no na Bema timi abetwura bone dan say no disturb for 7 days. Na mi twam o mi kunu da ya no mi ntimi mo kokoko mi twam o mi kunu da ya no mi ntimi friend hello honey me you can't call him on phone osho was it no disturb for 7 days. 7 days na no disturb no so onene mpnafo na eji wo money abusia anyama na ekoso ewo ye nua Bema or say Agradaa relationship say I mean that is why I called it make yes what you say relationship says na woni wukunu tifie wo ba wo na wo ska nyame ahira wa wo hwe fie hwe wo ma hwe wabusua do Bema bibi ye wukura no ho process che na wa tro letter na the abone diano no disturb for 7 days. Obeda babonti ameka san kwasi asem we. You can never come out because obi kura beka chosu wajimi. Sababi nyame di wadru ni Bema tro abone diano no disturb for 7 days. Na mi twam 7 days. And son no one wakasa. He's back, he's back. He's back, he's back. Baby, are you back? Are you back? No, I just want to do just when me the do. When you're moving, I feel lonely. Then I just want to talk to them. Unyabi, eh? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. I was here for. Now what trouble ne dano? Ose kai Agradaa sister. Me say asema make me come Bible kan osuro aprada. Me kan Onyankopon aprada edwafiri soro. Onu kuno tio. But look at the way I am very loud. Look at the way when I come out. Look at the way I behave. Everybody knows that this woman is near dinner. But when it comes to relationship, Bema wu iska mano, Bema watoka mano, Bema wasifia mano, Bema wu yi chop money shanes at 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. Now they are shanes. Bema wasia brosaya mano, Bema you do everything for him. Abusia. Now what trouble ne Diana say? No disturb for 7 days. As a woman, catch the Ghana for be any mean you. So then time about nobody will believe me. But it was facts. Many men united me was on a Diana that this say nobody should disturb for 7 days. Abusia me come a papa quadromania daka. Me come a sick quadromania daka. Or say no disturb for 7 days. Now sure. na wo hye ho na ye aduane ne de akoma no na wo hia nsuo ne de akoma no everything ne de akoma no because ne dem obibia ho or say no disturb for 7 days na woni wu kuno te dem na ne wedding ring ehye no aworo no wato atwene na waworo no waton I say Agradaa, thank God because Pastor Eric and Abusia na ne wedding ring on say Emma ye very sensitive. Ye wo baby ani ade a odi drop Bema, especially. Se Bema woni wo yire. Mo kamutia boom. Na mo ware. Na mo ye wedding like my engagement. Na busua nyina nim na wo ba wo show kawa. Na wo kawe mia na wo nsete. Na ware nti untimi nyika wani free wonsa. Na Bema ne ring ehye no. Wo wale wo Bema na Bema ne ntimi nhye na wedding ring me say Bema no for Jana chiri o. Me can pray and na me die. Bema me no be worry. Ada me wo so wedding ring ehye no. Da na me don sa Bema o. Because me say nyame ayame no. I am not going to sit down for any man to manipulate me or to disturb my happiness. Abusuafo, mesesa woni wu kuna ye wedding engagement na wo ba no shekawa. Na wu kunu se kawa no onhye bia Bema no mesi twa no so na wodobia woni wudi bia no eye fake love oboa adenti no no ntimi nche na wedding ring. Emma wiase nyina opie baabia obi anwo se wo ye marriage man wo de wo ye marriage man kra na betwe mpra me emfa me ho shekawa no na kwotwe wo mpra wo twe mpra no na wo da oba no so na wudi no anya bia woni bebo okawa so wo yam be show amwo wu say I have left my wife home. Abusuafo na woni Bema say or says, Yama, you hear? Oh, he will not do that. He will not do that from the day we met. Me promise ring a shame, or no so dear shen, Onyida. There was a time now, or Jerry now, or ye, minimum dear, go by and yin the ring to home. Me say, hey, that day, I was for my castle, this in Binchinamo. Na mi kru yi ni wedding ring to ho Mr. Siama yi ni wedding ring to ho. Na afe die. Hey, mikasa papa yi wa papa yi dimrika. Na me say, hey, no didn't say siame, na me say, what is the problem? Sani we fi wa run e ka wano. Sabre ka wano to e no na run. Enti wo dware no, e na huro no. America wani yi toy into ordering no fine or room or the toe. Jacuzzi or si one no or the torso. To a dry no. Send any referee ring no. And no see free a bath a yeniso. Abusia. And no, I'm talking by experience. And no ye free or see free jacuzzi no so. Send natural say. But what about Betro Agradaa way da boy where I'll train for so be and sister. So can't you see the way I've been comporting myself, respecting you people, and respecting my husband, and respecting myself too? Share se Bema pursue babu show the woman love. Bible say, dear would the betchere Bema no the mammy so for Siamadiano. Sana wajana ring in what jacuzzi in so afe papa ya babe wie wo wie ya wo dressing mo amana ho so kama afe de papa yi kwa sorry odi kan ansa na maba afe de papa yi kwa sorry wa me mama peg because every day he's going to church. He give me a kiss before he leave the house. Afe de papa ya mama me kiss. Hey, me ya mo je me pan ni me say baby, what is the problem? Such as a kawan channel. And then you free baby or the kawana too. Na papa de me hwehwema de me say no dear na ira. I won't be can't me for me to help you. Now won't you show wade kodeno. Sane kawano we yi kawana to jaguzi ni so. And on kai baby o yi kawane to ye. Abusiafo. Papa yi hu fi frena ni hu fi frena ni hu fi frena ni hu fi fre. Afe die. Obora bathroom wako who yes one say Agradaa you pray too much. I'm not praying oh. Me can crow me ni mu din komo. I'm telling you the facts. Abusia. Afe die. Okofa kawane shewie ye. O sheka wane pen obe bam me. Oh, Bame, honey, baby, I love you so much. You are my everything. You are my spiritual mother. You are my mother. You are my everything. I love you. And I'm going to say, hey, no, Jerry, ya sorry, now, I say, won't check me, be saying, no. Was when you didn't and I'm check you, no, make kawe shaman me. And I know, say, every day I give you peg, every day I kiss you, you hold my hand, and you touch my ring. So I know saying when I come and kiss you, you will come and touch my ring. Because ring and all rot on any refi. Bury my one in the betzna. Now one in the bed worry and answer one in the bed 2 crows. And now you promise yourself to marry each other. Not Bema into me shane kawano. Mese sa Bema no on fa unko si baby out. Forget to say Bema no. Na many very much na very much run a wedding ring. No atom. Wa roka wana. Yako warrior ye shira so. Abusia. Kawana ye shira so a shenono. Papa let me a roka wana tongue all because mess your hime. Any savior mawuli gla. Ain't oh yes, wa roka wana tong. Wa roka wana tong. What was here? And now you will mema no mu ye dindin womu ye very wicked. She Mcbrown situation o komuno. E mema womu kasano. Abusuya. Bese meme wuna mekoba Bema won ninkomo. Bema won kasa. Bema won't show opinion. Bema won't fakasa and show no. Meme worry biem ni medieu. I'm telling you. Worry Bema wo din komo. Bema wo ni din komo. Wo de asema wo kabi wono so. Wo ye din kura wo den komo fro. Na wo ni din komo no ne wo shy de na de bia mo ye bia no you think together. Ono no ye Bema wo do. Entokwa awari entokwa wumo. But yeah, it's a motim once own. Or say I will always love this woman. Some motim once own. A brand tokwana bano. Bako accepting a mistake for just seconds. Me say there was a time of a man crado, mene angel. Me ye bibia say chre angel. Metiano, abusuya, I shout on him. When I shout on him, he couldn't say anything. So when we were talking to a man crado, and he said, Amai, look at the way your sister has done to me. Oh, he just shout on me. Abusuya for me jina phone no so pan show. A man crado me witness. Me jina phone no so pan show. Share Emma ye woskano. I'm very proud of like your relationship more. People don't know. Or baby or whisker or dinner will be a western fear piano. When it comes to relationship, what to say aquala ya wonderful floor. Especially me. I'm not fake. I can't pretend to love. When I love you from the bottom of my heart. But love on a share video no. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you with everything. When I love you, minu ni say sika way eye mimi sika. Sika way eye wu sika. We have the money say week, you know. Say so 50,000 and that one a year spending for the week, you know, 30,000, 20,000, and we are spending for the week. The money is at a draw. When I need some, when my husband needs some, no way. And it's a way a berry man or bay sa dream way ni or doorway at the chrow. Nasa wu Bema no what you say Obana Jimmy on. Set to Obana ni swa a one time oh. Abusia a bet to Obana ni so one time na a bet foul sell rapture. And on the foul sell rapture no Obani jow. Now for now yes a kramaya a feeling of social media. Abrantie bi a wabɔ ne bra wayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ ne bo kɛntɛn na bodu sɛ nwi a wɔyɛ wo look alike no no makɔtam no mo sɛ Pastor Eric ni Pastor Eric ni sa abrantie ya onam social media or den satua na no a like was Pastor Eric ankrofo akɔfa including Pastor Eric na ankasa wakɔfa de akɔto ni page e di dwene ho so ono Pastor Eric, we want to see your current picture.